This company is called CoBak, something like that. So this is the black finish if you want a more discreet look. Hey, what's going on, folks? And we're here back with another video. And in today's video, I'll actually be doing a review of another book cover, book folio that I've come across on Amazon for the reMarkable 2. Like, look at this. You already know why I bought it. Like, come on. It reminds me so much of exactly what it looks like. A composition notebook that you can pick up at Dollar General. Let's unpackage this rather, and see how it holds up in holding the reMarkable 2 tablet. As you can see, I've been rocking the fabric folio for the reMarkable 2, since it has a convenient way to store my pen. I don't have to worry about beating it up. I can just slide it in, slide it out of whatever I like, my backpack or so forth. So go ahead and get this propped out over to the side, and let's open this up. Good. All right, so it does have, doesn't feel quite like a composition notebook. And it has this little trim around it, which is a little odd in my opinion, but the look is definitely cool. Oh, I didn't realize it was like that on the back as well. But what's cool about this case is it has a convenient place for you to put your pen. And I'm not sure if this is magnetic or not, but I do see those 4 grooves for it. So we'll see in just a moment. If you're wondering what this case is, this is the exact same case, just in the black finish. So I'll take a look at that in just a moment. So open that up. Essentially, I should just slide this in there, and it should just plop in. All right, sweet. So it is snug. The way I had to push it in there, I can tell it's snug. Hold it upside down, it's not gonna come out for sure. And let's see, is that magnetic? So the cover is not just gonna come flying off. That's nice. It does add a bit of width to the case, being that it's in this form factor or whatnot, because it makes room for the pin, but that's pretty cool. I wanna pop in the pin to see if it snugly fits in there. Yeah, that looks like it's gonna snugly fit in there. So I'll close it, and it's still pretty flush. Wow, yeah. Pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool. I want to pop it back in, pop out my pen, and then boom, I'm all set to begin taking notes on this in this form factor. Not bad, not bad. So, you know, it easily folds. There's not a lot of tension that you have to worry about when you swing this around towards its backside. No, it easily moves that way, and you can begin writing or whatnot. Yeah, that looks like chicken scratch, but we aren't here for my writing. So it holds up. It's nice. I really like that. That's pretty cool. All right, I'll even take out the black finish, take a look at it. And if I haven't stated this already, this company is called CoBak, or CoBak, something like that. So this is the black finish if you want a more discreet look. So I'll go ahead and pop this out, as well as the reMarkable. There has to be a way to easily pop out the reMarkable. Oh. Maybe I'm doing something wrong, but it's a challenge to get this thing out of here. That's a little wild. So now I'll go ahead and slide this in place. Once again, over on the black finish, just in case you're curious, and I'll pop in the pen. Here we go with the black finish. Pretty sleek, durable. It's a nice feel. I don't mind the edges as much on this version, since it really blends in well. Yeah, this is freaking sleek. I know I mainly bought the other one for the look, but I like how this texture goes with the design of it. Conceals everything for the most part. You can easily pop out the pen, and I could begin taking notes. So pretty much the exact same feel as the first one. So what I'll say is, what do I like about it? What do I dislike? So I definitely like the black model a bit more so with the design. One of the things that I didn't care for too much was this little crease down here. I don't like this crease. I wish this square would have been long enough to where it would have been just like solid going all the way across here, but it's like a little dip, and I don't know, that's just annoying the hell out of me right now. But yeah, other than that, it is really, I trust it to hold my device securely within it, even though it doesn't look like it used magnets on the back side, only magnets on the front side, but it also does a really good job of concealing the pin and allowing you to easily access it. My only other gripe is that it's pretty difficult, at least in my first attempt of trying to remove the reMarkable tablet from this case. It was a little difficult, more difficult than I'd like it to be. But let me know what you think about these two tablets. I think I might actually hold on to this black one. I just like it a bit more as opposed to this. How do I think this compares to the book folio that I previously reviewed on the channel? Well, I told you for the book folio, I feel like it's overpriced. You know, maybe if they were selling it for $79, I would grab the book folio because it just has that sleek form factor. But the caveat with the book folio is you don't have a place to put your pen. Sure, the magnet is supposed to hold the pen to the tablet, but if you're putting that in your book bag, 9 times out of 10, when you're pulling your folio, your reMarkable out of your book bag, that pen's gonna fall off. And this is a good way to prevent losing it. So great job, CoBak. Hopefully I'm saying that right, but again, let me know your thoughts in the comments. As always, thanks for viewing. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and smash that like button and consider subscribing for more tech reviews on this channel. That's it. See you next time.